Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to activate GCash MasterCard. To activate your GCash MasterCard using your GCash application, first make sure that you've downloaded the app on your preferred mobile device. If not, go to your Play Store or your App Store and get the app downloaded first. Once you do that, tap on the app from the app drawer and log into your GCash account like you normally do. Enter your mobile number and tap the next button. Follow through the on-screen prompts and enter your one-time password on the next page in order to log into your GCash account. After logging in, tap on the profile button at the bottom right-hand corner and tap on My Linked Accounts. On the next page, tap on the GCash MasterCard option from the top. Now, tap the Add a Card button on the next page. Enter the 6-digit OTP sent to your registered number and tap on Submit on the next page. Now, enter the last 4 digits of your GCash MasterCard and 12 digits virtual account number, and then tap Next at the bottom. Enter your nominated 6-digit PIN in the first text box and confirm the 6-digit card PIN again. Your card PIN will be available right on your GCash card. So once you are done typing it in, tap Next, and then you'll receive a notification that says you've successfully activated your GCash MasterCard. That is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.